Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Ramba Jong Kejelau Konrad Kongkel Sangma minta kasngi ke khatnyo terik upanai rempang arajar arpuar ulayo aban Plie yo mau Nongrim na kabenta bantay ye ka building ke Thymmai Jong ke Skul Sibsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School. Yagani ke jingilang Plie mau Nongrim la penlong hapo ka pelau Jong ke Skul Sibsing kabadan hapo ka snong mau klam Nongpyndeng harengkat ka jingi danlang Jong menteri ketenat puli puthi uba lakmen rembui MLA Jong ke Nongston constituency uba Macmillan bersat usim Jong ke himan Nongston kibor penyai Jong ke Skul bat kiwei kumban chupan kin mau baka Sibsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School kadai ka wei ni ki school sarkar ka bala rimba hapo ka thany hanrei ka basngosi ka long baka deiru ka school ka bala sha e ben da ki postnem ki bala lej namar ka jingbam yo ye ki lad jingerap ka bala penlong ru ye ka school bakan jat rathai hanrei lengba ka ni ka sngi kan sa long ru ka jingsa jingkin mau ye ki pajba jong ka thany Nongston khamtam ye ka school Sibsing namar bakan sa yo no ye ka yeng building ka Thymmai ka ban long ru ka jingker khu ye ki samla pule ki ba pule hagani ka school.
For the last 45 years, Sibsing has been initiated by the Sim Nongston. Way back in 1857, after proceeding to middle English school that time, we call it LE school that time, but now we have got the different names of our primary school have been shifted to this particular place. We call it Nongpyndeng. But even, because that time even this land also is belong to the Sim of Nongpyndeng, it's a right land, community land. If I'm not mistaken, even the campus of the Sibsing has been donated by the Sim of Nongpyndeng. Thanks to the Sim of Nongpyndeng who is present with us here now, and the Deputy Sim who is present with us here now in this meeting. Kadang school kawai pada rintam apa kejala migala kajeng. Nila sa ino obay. Hagini kisah usan senan. Tek-tek lah bisong kamar kelas. Isno shifting. Yo bakatu ka seling nani kasat kalaban habu. Pagidor ki jaka ko ba kisah-kisah ba. Pwede school Sibsing la isinay. Kalau ini deplorable condition. Wat kadang school ka kini ki RCC building larangi pay ni isinay. Nila persang ba ni klen nagaway ka po sa ko po. Ngakwa ako ban berken mau. Uway observan ba yo kay jela ka gini. Iba di walang. Additional chief secretary. Uang bahagis ng baladek ngalalong secretary juga Egyptian department. Ngalalong commission secretary juga Egyptian department. Ngalalong principal secretary juga Egyptian department. Uang ngalalong kumitaw additional chief secretary balik pa Egyptian department. Ngalat persang ban pa kapupusal ban ay ka kata ka strong recommendation. Nagamta ban penulong baga Sibsing kan yo na ka Jong ka school building ka Thymmai. Haka jika ka babyang ban pen ikenat bandon ka jika space kapag ikena kinyo ya lekay kapag susi inda koy siya Jong ipen pai no ya ka file da kumway pat. Ang man ka pa susya ton daw. Teka ni kapan isay kdar bahag Islam di baladan. Kamdon kata ka political will ban le AA nagta Sibsing.
Parlok baro hakini ki South Snap ka jela kala experience shibun haka roy ka pa hapo ka jela Jong o chief minister kami o Konrad ke Sangma hapo ka nga Nongstoy kibun ki AK ki balachia hamne hanos ng baladet ngilala ban penrong ya ka Nongstoy College hapo ka People's College scheme jang ka sarkar haka ba kibun kinahika kilala banyo jira dagba ka sarkar kasiw ya ka tulok ko jangki kane kalong kan pelong ya ka manjing komiti bakanla ban sek ban play ya ki wepat ki kos kabaar kanehang ne kaba ka sarkar kala sanction ban snapin bahag ng building kadai kaway naki jinjia bat lang hakinigisngi South Liki Primary School live nyaw lakaway ngelayo ban sanction hapo kanega school. Hapo kanega Nongstoin area. Day tang kata ka Embus ka Lailat ya ka St. Peter Higher Secondary School Banlong ka way nagisinta na kabantagi kena banyale matric ka IMRS ka proses bang sanction da government dia kadang ya shisha kini ai kijingjia kinong banjia ladap hinom yo ya kinong mikmat kibadon kejingket kle na kabanta ka jingbit jingbiang ka jingpuling ngilong badon bok bahagan ne ka sarkar hapo ka nyalam Jong chief minister kabangalaban nom ars patam ki primary school ka jishna kaya shisha but national hadu romjen kidon di college po mairang kebelayaran dari sarkar hang ne kadon ke Nongstoin college but karomjen ngin sapli hakini gibnai ki banwan ban ai ya kajing nang gista ya ki paiba dan takada ngi ka MBA government kadon kajing kitle banyaran ya paiba dang manakane syaw ngan poi ngalani yo jingtir bau chief minister ula ai digarap lembaga fokus program namar bagan ke sarkar jongi komba u chief minister do kasigi benongkom ukular bang address ya barok issue.
I first of all would like to thank God Almighty for blessing us with this wonderful and a beautiful day. And it is through His blessings that we are all gathered here to be part of this foundation laying ceremony for the new building for the higher secondary school. This has been a very long pending demand and a pending requirement for the students. And we also have been looking for the day to come and initiate it and start the building. And in the last few days, we were having a hectic program. And just this morning, I have rushed back from Delhi, come directly here to Nongstoin to be part of this program, simply because this program and this project has been something that's been really close to our hearts, especially to our Honorable Education Minister and also the Honorable MLA of Nongstoin constituency, who have been very, very particular that this extension building project must happen at the earliest. So at the very outset, I would like to thank the Education Minister, who is leading the department, a very difficult sector to lead, and yet he is doing a very wonderful job at ensuring that we are able to take education forward. And would like to thank especially our Honorable MLA, who has been persistent and relentless, I should say, in ensuring that this project went through. So therefore, I must congratulate and thank both of them for all their efforts. Education has always been a priority for us. And we have been saying this not just in programs like these, but we have been saying it from the day we have formed the government. And while we say that education is one of the most important sectors for us, it's not just simply saying it, but our actions have also shown that we have given one of the top priorities to education. Whether starting off with the education policy, which is the primary document that guides us as to where we are going, what we want to achieve, and how we want to do it. Without a policy, it's like having no blueprint or no plan for a building construction. You need the plan first. And therefore, we started off with the education policy. And based on this policy that we created, we started creating and putting infrastructure. And when we talk of infrastructure, we need funds to do it. We committed as a government and gave the necessary funds to construct more than 300 to 400 schools all over the state, to construct a large number of colleges everywhere, to ensure that almost every higher secondary school in the state today has a new building. It has been very, very tough, I must tell you, especially with COVID and the different financial constraints we faced. It was not easy for us to do it. But our commitment to education, our commitment to the future generation of our state has been the real guiding principle and force that has ensured that we did not budge from our primary objective of ensuring that we give priority to education. Whether it was training of our teachers, whether it was regularizing and appointing the different posts that were blank for many, many years, tough decision. We had a lot of political challenges, but our intent was clear. We knew that we had to do certain things for the interest of the students. We can't have continuous basis casual teachers every 3 months being changed. A lot of political pressure was on us, but we went ahead with it because we knew that we were doing the right thing.